Hello everyone. In this lecture I am going to explain how to design a digital comparator. So first, what do you mean by comparator? So comparator is a combinational circuit which is used to compare two values. Let us take A and B are two values. When we are going to compare this A and two values, three possible outputs will comes. So the outputs are, it is A equal to B one output, and A less than B another one output, and A greater than B another one output. So when you want to compare two values, you can use these comparator circuits. Okay. So in this lecture I am going to explain how to design a comparator using basic logical gates. Okay. Right. So the introduction about the comparator. A comparator is a combinational circuit that gives output in terms of A greater than B, A less than B, and A equal to B. Okay. So a digital comparator's purpose is to compare numbers and represent their relationship with each other. Yes. So have a look at this. This is the block diagram of a comparator. So two inputs A and B, and three outputs are A greater than B, A equal to B, and A less than B. So this is what the introduction about the comparator. And in this comparator we are going to design two types of comparator. One is a 1-bit magnitude comparator, another one is 2-bit magnitude comparator. Okay, so what do you mean by 1 bit? So minimum two values are needed, A and B, two variables are needed. So in this variable, if I am going to use only single bit, that is A and B alone, that is a 1-bit magnitude comparator. If suppose I am going to use in A and B, I am going to use here A1 A0, here B1 B0. See, in A 2-bit is there and B 2-bit is there, so this is called as 2-bit magnitude comparator. Okay, so next we are going to design this 1-bit magnitude comparator as well as 2-bit magnitude comparator. Okay, let's see one by one. So 1-bit magnitude comparator. So a comparator used to compare two bits is called a single bit comparator. Yes, 2 bit. Keep in mind, 2 bit is called a single bit comparator or 1-bit comparator. It consists of two inputs, each for two single bit numbers, and three outputs to generate a less than, equal, and greater than between two binary numbers. See, A is having only 1 bit and B is having only 1 bit, so that's why it is called as 1-bit comparator. And so the total in number of inputs are 2, so the number of possible combinations are 2 power n possible combinations. Okay, so where n is equal to 2, so 2 to the power 2, which is equal to 4 possible combinations, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, in decimal value it is in proper ascending order 0 1 2 3, and three possible outputs, A greater than B, A less than B, A equal to B. Okay, let's we'll fill this table. Have a look at this A and B value for the first combination. A is 0, B is 0, both are same, so here A equal to B, output is 1, remaining two outputs are is equal to 0. Then 0 1, so compare A with B, so A is now less than, so see, in A less than B the value is 1, remaining two places the values are equal to 0. Then 1 0, compare A with B, so A is greater than B, so see here the output is here 1, remaining two places the outputs are is equal to 0. Okay, and now both are 1 1, so again A is equal to 1, remaining two places the outputs are is equal to 0. So in this way only the truth table we need to create. Okay, so once truth table was created, then we need to find the Boolean expression using KMF for the output variables. So three output variables are there: A greater than B, A less than B, and A equal to B. Let's will find the expression for all the three outputs one by one. So first A greater than B, have a look at the A greater than B column alone. In how many places number 1 is there? So only one places the number 1 is there. So only one place is the number 1 is there. So look at the corresponding inputs. The inputs are 1 0, that is A value is 1 and B value is 0. So which means we are going to write SOP expression only. In SOP 1 means normal expression and 0 means bar expression. So A greater than B, which is nothing but it is A B bar, because A value is 1 and B value is 0, so it is A B bar. Then a less than b, have a look at this. A less than b, in how many places it is having the value as 1? Only one place. So look at the corresponding input combination, it is 0 1. So a less than b, it is 0 1, so it is a bar and b. Okay, similarly for a equal to b, in two places the values are 1 is there. Look at the corresponding input combinations of those two places. So for the first one, let me write here, a equal to b. What is the first expression? For the first one, it is both are 0 0. A is 0, b is 0, so a bar b bar plus, because this is SOP expression, more than one ones coming means we need to use plus symbol. So have a look at this one condition. The corresponding inputs are 1 1, so that is a and b. So this expression is similar to the exclusive NOR gate expression. So I'm going to use here exclusive NOR gate for a equal to b. Okay, so now we have derived all the three output variable expressions using K-map, right? So the next step is logical diagram. How to draw the logical diagram? So only two inputs, so have a look at this. A and b, two inputs are there. Okay, right. So first a less than b, what is the expression? It is a bar b. So see, one inverter is there, so here it is a bar, so a bar b. So here a bar will come and b, so this b will come here. So this is output is here a bar b, that's what here written, which is equal to a less than b. Okay, then a greater than b, a greater than b is a b bar. So have a look at this, one AND gate is needed, so a is coming from here and b bar is, so here it is b bar, so this output is a b bar, that is here the output is a b bar, and this is the expression of a greater than b. Okay, right. So the next thing is a equal to b. A equal to b expression is which is a x NOR of b. Okay, so here see, they have used only one NOR gate. So why they use NOR gate means they have taken the inputs from this AND gate output and this AND gate output. See, it is the a bar b, here a b bar, so NOR gate is the whole bar will come. Okay, so now let me explain this. That is a bar b plus a b bar. When we are taking the De Morgan theorems here, it will becomes a bar b whole bar dot a b bar whole bar. So again here apply De Morgan theorem, so which is nothing but a plus b bar into here a bar plus b will come, then multiply these two together, a bar plus a b plus a bar b bar plus b bar. So here a bar and b bar get cancelled, so the final expression is ab plus a bar b bar. That is what our NOR gate expression. Okay, so we can use one NOR gate here, otherwise directly you can use, see here I'm going to use one x NOR and take the inputs from, this is from a and this is from b, so this is for a equal to b. So you can follow up this method, otherwise you can use this NOR gate, both are same one. Okay, so this is what the design of a 1-bit magnitude comparator. So the first step was understand the concept from the given specifications, that is 1-bit magnitude comparator means minimum 2 input is needed for comparing the comparator. So those inputs are a and b. So 1-bit comparator means in a we have to take 1 bit and b also need to take 1 bit. Okay, so only two variables we are going to use, a and b, so 4 possible combinations. Okay, so first step is understanding the concept, second step is the truth table creation, third step is the identification of the expression, and fourth one is logical diagram. Right, we'll move to the next one. So the next thing is 2-bit magnetic comparator. So again we know that for comparator we are in need of two inputs, that is A and B. So now this is 2-bit comparator. So in A I am going to take it is A1 A0 two inputs, and B I am going to take it is B1 B0. Okay, so let's create the truth table. Again here the outputs are the same, three outputs only needed. Okay, again same three outputs are needed. So equal, greater and less than. So have a look at this, inputs and outputs, and inputters A and B. There are two bit as a input, A1 A0, then B1 B0. So let's write all the 16 possible combinations, because here 4 input. Now total inputs are how much? This is 4 inputs, so 2 to the power n combinations. So 2 to the power 4, which is equal to 16 combinations. Okay, so let's start to write from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to number 15. So totally 16 combinations are available. Okay, right. So now let us take a value. While comparing A and B, we need to consider A is as a cumulative one, right? So see, 0 0 and B is 0 0, both are same, so A equal to B is 1. Then A is 0 0 and B is 0 1, which means A value is equal to 0 and B value is equal to 1, so A is less than B. So for the second condition, see, A is less than B. And third condition, 0 0 1 0, again A less than B. Fourth condition, 0 0 1 1, again that is 0 0 1 1 means A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 3, because 1 1 means the decimal value is 3, no? So A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 3, so it is A less than B1, right? Then now A is 0 1 and B is 0 0. A is 0 1 means which value is equal to 1, and B is equal to 0 0 means this is equal to 0. Now A is greater than B, so for this condition A is greater than B. See, here the output is 1. Next 0 1 0 1, so A equal to B is 1. 0 1 1 0, so A is equal to 0 1 and B is equal to 1 0, which means this is 1 and this is 2, so A is less than B, so C, A is less than B. Similarly 0 1 1 1, A is 1 and B is 3, so again A is less than B, right? The next is set 1 0 0 0, A is 1 0 and B is 0 0, which means this is 2 and this is 0, so A greater than B. So see here, A is greater than B. Then 1 0 0 1, A is 2, B is 1, so again A is greater than B. Then 1 0 1 0, which is equal to 1 0 1 1, A is less than, and A is 1 1 and this is 0 0, so A greater than B. The next is also greater than, and the last one is equal to 1. So this is the truth table creation about a 2-bit magnetic comparator. So let us take A value separately and B value separately, then compare together. Okay, right. Next we need to create the expressions of this A greater than B, A equals B and A less than B. Here greater than it indicates G and equal is indicates E and less than is indicates L. Okay, so next I am going to find the expressions for all the three G, E, L. Okay, so while calculating G, only concentrate on these columns alone, in how many places value 1 is there, and while deriving the expression for E, concentrate on this middle column alone, and for L, this column alone. Okay, so let's will go for G. 1 2 3 4 5 6, in 6 places value 1 is there, so that is greater than. See, this is the greater than, 6 places values 1 is there, place 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, so see how many groupings are possible. This is one quad, and this one one pair, and these two are 1 1, so totally 1 quad and 2 pairs are possible for this A greater than B. Okay, so this side I'm going to take a a1 a0 and this side b1 b0, then 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, and similarly here also 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 0 0. Okay, so let's write the expression for this quad, that is for quad, look at the corresponding boxes. So in the left side we need to concentrate on these two boxes, and the top side we need to concentrate on these two boxes. So here I think this is it was 0 0, this is 1 0, fine. So a1 value is, that is the first bit value is, this MSB value was same, and LSB is 1 0, so we need to cancel this LSB. So this side a1 will come, and this top side 0 0 0 1, that is b1 value is 0 0 in both the place, and b0 value is 0 1. So b1 is 0 0, it is b1 bar, a1 b1 bar, plus, let us take this pair, this left one and this one. So left side 1 1, that is a1 a0, and the top side 0 0 and 1 0, that is b1 get cancelled and b0 will come, that is b0 bar, plus this pair now. So we need to concentrate on here. So a1 get cancelled, a0 will come, so a0, and the top side b1 bar b0 bar, b1 bar b0 bar. Okay, so now this is the expression for a greater than b. Have a look at this. Here it is a greater than b. So first one is a1 b1 bar, so a1 b1 bar is here, and the second one is a1 a0 b0 bar, a1 a0 b0 bar, and a0 b1 bar b0 bar. So here it is. So we got the expression for a greater than b. Okay, right. So now a less than b. So a less than b, in how many places the values are 1 is there for a less than b? 1 2 3 4 5 6 places. So all the 6 places are marked here, and the grouping was done. That is a one quad, and 2 pair is there. So in the same method how we written the expressions for a greater than b, in the same manner here also we are going to write the expression. So the expression is, here it is a1 bar b1, a0 bar b1 b0, and a1 bar a0 bar b0. Okay, then for a equal to b, so we'll check first how many places the values are 1 2 3 4 places the values are 1 is there, and all those 4 places are marked here. So here there is no possible way to identify the quads, octets and pairs, so all are considered as single variables only. So while writing these single variables, the expressions looks like a huge one. So we need to apply the Boolean simplification method to simplify the expression. So finally the expressions are coming as like see, a0 x nor b0 and a1 x nor b1. Okay, so you guys are already familiar with the Boolean expressions. So let me explain this one. See, the first term a1 bar b1 bar, and similarly the second term a1 bar b1 bar is there. Let's take these two things outside, and the remaining terms of first one is a0 b0 bar, sorry a0 bar b0 bar. So here a0 bar b0 bar is written, and here a0 b0 is there, a0 b0. Similarly, and these two terms a1 b1 is common, a1 b1 is common. Let's take outside, and a0 b0, a0 bar b0 bar was written inside. Okay, right. Now see, here a1 bar b1 bar is there, and this bracket terms a0 bar b0 bar plus a0 b0, here a0 b0 plus a0 bar b0 bar, these two are same. So let's take these two terms outside, and this is looks like a0 x nor of b0. Okay, so after taking these two terms outside, and inside again it is a1 bar b1 bar plus a1 b1 will come. So now here this is a0 x nor of b0, and this also looks like x nor expression, so a1 x nor of b1. So that's why it is written here like this. Hence we have derived all the expressions of a 2-bit comparator, that is greater than, less than and equals, and the last step was logical diagram. So now we are going to draw the diagram for these three expressions, a greater than b, a less than b and a equals b. So have a look at this. This is the logical diagram. So first, a greater than b, how many gates are needed? Here one AND gate is needed, here one AND gate and here one AND gate. So totally 3 AND gate is needed, 1 OR gate is needed for a greater than b. See, AND gate number 1, 2 and 3, 1 OR gate. Okay, and take the inputs from the corresponding lines. The first line is, this is a1 line and this line is a1 bar, and this is a0 and this line is a0 bar, and this is b1 and this is b1 bar and this is b0 bar. Okay, so let's take the inputs from the corresponding lines and connect the gates. Finally we got a logical diagram like this: a less than b, a greater than equal to b and a greater than b. So this is the logical diagram for 2-bit comparator, right? Next thing, and some applications of comparators. So comparators are used in central processing units, CPUs and microcontrollers. Yes, these are used in the control application in which the binary numbers representing physical variables such as temperature, position, etc. Okay, and it is used as a process controllers for servo motor control, and used for password verification and biometric application. Okay, so wherever you want to compare two values, then you can use this comparator as an applications, right? So that's all about this lecture. So let me quickly summarize what we have discussed in this lecture. We have discussed about the comparator, that is the introduction about a comparator and the two types of comparator, 1-bit comparator and the 2-bit comparator. So we have discussed how to design 1-bit comparator and how to design a 2-bit comparator, as well as applications of comparators. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.